Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1947 Chevrolet 3100 killer little truck. Complete frame-off restoration. Finished in Tuxedo black. It has a very cool custom red interior in it. All steel truck. So the truck's been done for a few years now. The interior and stuff, I guess, is brand new. They said there's probably 4,000 miles on the truck. The odometer only shows 16 miles because they just actually got all that interior stuff done. But again, all steel, killer little truck, great stance. Slick paint. It's got a LS1 fuel injected engine in there underneath the hood. 4L60 automatic trans. I apologize about the dust. I wiped it down the best I could. It's windier than heck here. And of course that gets the dust blowing around. Good looking truck. I love this interior. A little sneak peek there. This is cool too. It's got a maple bed in it. Really unique. Custom fuel tank. These are just great looking trucks. Great stance. Sorry, getting ahead of myself. Full wheel disc brakes. Of course, it's got those American Racing torque thrusts all the way around it. There's a couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it, you'll see, but really nice. And a good running LS1 aluminum-headed engine in it. You can see it's got headers, power steering, again, power four-wheel disc brakes. Oh! This truck actually has electric air conditioning, so you're not going to see the air mounted in the engine here. It's actually underneath the bed. It's electric. They said it'll freeze you out of here, and it's instantaneous. Aluminum radiator. It's a 4L60 automatic overdrive trans. I don't think they have the wipers hooked up either, guys. See, it's a pretty truck. It was a dusty mess here a second ago. We pulled it out and I got sidetracked, and boy, it's just a windy, dusty mess here. It's got the dual chrome mirrors, door handles are new. Look, I love that. Look at the interior. If I can, sorry, the wind's gonna blow this thing shut on me. I love the sculpted door pads. It's also got the headliner in there. New carpet. It's all dynamatted in there. The sculpted headliner. Bucket seats with a buddy seat. It's all custom. Tilt column. Billet wheel. This is really cool. This is a 59 Impala dash. It's got Autometer gauges. That's your electric AC. Like I say, it's instantaneous and it'll freeze you out. Pioneer sound system. It's got, I don't know if you can see them. You might be able to see them a little bit. It's got LED red lights in the interior, which is pretty cool. Custom dual exhaust. No big rear axle or anything like that. No, you know, it's definitely built to cruise. Again, custom fuel tank. As always, you go on our website, and there's always photos of the bottoms of every vehicle. Coming up here against the door. Really cool interior. I love the dash. How unique is that? Really runs out good. I don't think I can do this one-handed. Yeah, I'm gonna have you do it, Nathan. Now it's got 16 miles on it, but it's got good oil pressure. Really neat truck. Looks good. It's got the custom exhaust coming out on the side there. Custom sound system. Haven't even turned it on. Well, you might not be getting the steer. There it is. Get our station. It works. It's got a new station. Again, I don't think they got the wipe. I don't think they have wipers even on it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.